recognized by the Directorate of Elementary Education found by Dhanabhagya Tammal Education Trust, register number 1878. Our correspondent who always encourages us to achieve more and more. Our secretary ma'am who always motivate us to do more innovative ideas. Our vice chairman sir who initiate us to bring new technology in education. Our managing director ma'am who always appreciate our upliftment in our school growth. Our principal ma'am who has been a pillar to our school. Our school is situated in the center of city, Kilvelur. It has a fantastic classroom and a beautiful playground. Van facilities available to every village around Kilvelur. Welcoming our new students, our LKG buds. Independence Day had been celebrated. We invited Dr. Amudan sir. He hoisted national flag and distributed the prizes for every prize winners. Teachers Day function had been celebrated. Children's Day had been celebrated. Science Expo had been conducted in Infant Jesus Tevu. Our students won many prizes. We celebrated Samatwa Pongal in our school campus in a grand manner. We celebrated Republic Day in our school. We had invited Dr. Saktibalan sir. He hoisted flag and distributed prizes. Abacus competition had been held and also our students won many prizes and prizes were distributed in Tiruvarur. Sports Day had been conducted and many events were conducted. Fancy dress competition for annual day had been held in our school. Many students participated in this competition eagerly and won many prizes. Prize distribution function had been arranged by our institution in Archana Mahal. We had invited our IPS officer as a chief guest. He distributed the prizes for the winners. Thank you Chairman, Secretary ma'am, Vice Chairman, Managing Director for your support and guidance. Thank you parents for your huge cooperation for our school. Thank you one and all. Dr. Amudan has been the old student of our school.